What's this? A small multi-tool? Another one. I saw these multi-tools on Amazon. They are so small. I wanted one, but I did not like the price and reviews. Later I found them in AliExpress and ordered them. One came in a nice metal box. The other came in a cardboard box. This one was hard to open first. I used a wrench to loosen the screw. Now it opens very easily. I used this one for many small projects and I liked it. It's small, very easy to carry. The pliers are thicker than the pliers in other small multi-tools. Except that one. That's the SOG Power Pint. It's a higher price, but quite amazing. I love them all.